Alright guys, so I'm gonna be breaking down a particular trade that I took today or earlier yesterday because it's currently midnight here. So I'm gonna be breaking the trade down and I hope you guys enjoy the video. What's good YouTube? Ade Forex here and welcome back to another video. And this is actually my very first trade breakdown video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, so if you guys do enjoy this sort of video, just let me know in the comment section. All right, so without further ado, let's actually get straight into the breakdown. So starting off from the weekly time frame, right? And the previous week we actually tapped into this fair value gap, right? And I was expecting price to get to this supply zone, right? This order block, right? But I mean we had a massive bullish week in the previous week. So my thought process was we were gonna get here, but let's actually go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, right, on the daily time frame, what I saw was this here. So after seeing this range around here, so I was expecting a retracement, right? So probably a retracement to probably get to this order block, or probably around here, maybe an optimal trade entry zone, right? So I was expecting a retracement literally. All right, so so moving down to the 4-hourly time frame. So I guess this is where the main stuff actually comes in. So moving out to the 4-hourly time frame, so the market was actually still around yeah, the market was around here. Yeah, exactly here. So the market was around here, right? So I had drawn out I'm gonna pop up the actual screenshot of before this move happened, so you guys can know that I had done these markups like before this move actually happened, right? So I was expecting price to actually tap into this order block, this 4-hourly time frame order block, right? I was expecting price to get here eventually, so I was looking for shorts, right? I was looking for shorts. So moving down to the lower time frame, to I actually moved to the 15-minute time frame, right? So moving down to the 15-minute time frame, it was post the CPI news for the GBP, right? So normally I do take my trades from the from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m, right? But the news actually came in around 7 a.m, right? So I was like, okay, if I actually get an entry, right, I would actually get into the trade, right? I would actually join in, right? But so after that, I had so I went on to the 30-minute time frame, right? This is actually, that was the 15-minute time frame, right? But it was, I just wanted something more more precise, right? So on the 30-minute, we can see that market actually respected this order block, right? And then this was an inducement, right? So I was expecting price to actually come to take out this previous day low, right? So this is the previous day low, right? And this is the previous daily high, right? Oh, there's a mistake right here. Let me actually modify that. Previous day low. All right, so this was a previous day low, right? Which is a liquidity, right? I was expecting price to actually come there, right? So this previous day high, I was expecting it to hold because I was expecting bearish GU for the day, right? I was expecting to actually come to tap into the 4-hourly time frame order block, right? And eventually that was all we got, right? So after seeing this move, the market was around here, right? It was on this exact candle, right? So I went to the 1-minute time frame, right? So I went to the 1-minute time frame and this is what I saw, right? So after going to the 1-minute time frame, I was like, okay, I marked out this 1-minute order block, right? I marked out this order block. Then I had this as an inducement. Exactly, the market was around here, exactly around 7:30 exactly, right? I'm gonna pop up the screenshot also. So the market was around here, so I drawn out my entry around here. So at first I wanted to enter at this exact at this order block, exact at this like so I was supposed to enter at 1.2786, right? I had like marked out that level, right? But I was like, looking at the 15 pips I was looking to risk, right? So there was still enough space, right? Because I was not even expecting this high to get taken out, so I had to like adjust my entry a little bit lower to I love using round numbers. That's how like all my entries are round numbers, right? That's how I trade, right? So after that, I was happy to set my limit order, and then I just I went for a 1 to 3 RR, right? So I went for a 1 to 3 RR, and it was a really nice setup. But I mean, as you can see, if I had held, right, if I had held, it would have been a 1 to 6. But no, I do not hold trades like that. I for a particular peep, the way I trade, right, I prefer using I prefer since it's a 15 pips, I don't intend to on holding it for too long, right? So I just want I want my trade to hit TP ASAP or stop loss ASAP, you feel me? So, and then on a normal day, I was not even supposed to take this trade, to be honest, because it was a 15 pips stop loss. I was not even supposed to take it because I'm an intraday trader, right? But I mean, I just had to just take it just like that, due to the news, right? And then the market actually gave another entry, right? Multiple entry. It actually gave another entry right here, but but I did not. I intentionally did not re-enter, right? Because I was in on this already, so I was like, no need to just no need to risk unnecessarily, so I had to just leave it. So market gave another entry right here. Let me actually even adjust it. Market gave another entry right here, broke structure, fair value gap around here. You could have entered right here at this order block, right? 5 pips stop loss, right? I don't use anything less than 5 pips stop loss. At minimum, I use 5 pips stop loss, right? 5 pips stop loss, you could have gotten your entry, and then it gave another entry. Let me delete that to just not cause confusion. It gave another entry around here, as you can see. So you could have another entry around here. Your stop loss would be above here, probably 6 pips or something, or even 5 pips, as long as it's above this high, right? As long as it's above this high, right, it's above. So you could have you could have gotten multiple entries, right? But I mean, I was happy with this single 1 to 3 RR trade, and then TP just the trade just went to TP ASAP, and then this was even another entry, right? Another clean entry, right? So this was actually during the London Open. As you can see, I had my my trading session marked out from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. right? So this was actually the so after I actually saw this particular trade, right? But I was like, no, I'm not gonna take it, right? Because according to my trading rules, I can't add multiple positions, right? So that's how I trade, and that's how I've been consistently profitable, right? So that's basically how I trade, right? So this was an inducement, right? And this was even a really nice setup here. An inducement, then your order block as your entry here, just above this high, right? Well, I mean, I would not even, if I wanted to take this trade, I would not even put my even though it did not take it, right, I wouldn't have put my, I would use minimum 5 pips, right? That's the minimum stop loss I use, due to spread and all that stuff, because I trade prop firm accounts and all that stuff here. Some of those prop firms have spreads, stupid crazy ass spreads, you feel me? So that's basically the trade for the day. And as you guys can see, the market actually came, we took out the previous daily low, and then we actually let's actually go to the 3 minutes. As you can see, let's go to the 30 minutes, in fact. As you can see, the market actually, let me delete the second one, so let me just delete that. So as you can see, the market actually the market actually came to take out the market actually tapped into the 4-hourly time frame order block that we had marked out earlier on, and it was a really nice setup. And I was even happy that my analysis for the day, my bias for the day was correct, and market tapped into the order block, and then we had reversals, and then during the people that trade the New York session would have gotten there are good setups around here. So that's that for this particular trade, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from this video. And if you guys actually enjoy this type of video, right, the trade breakdowns, just drop it in the comment section and let me know, and I will try as much as possible to be uploading more of this as time goes on. And yeah, so that's it for this video. And don't forget to smash the like button, and Also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Do want to subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm, the likes, the subscription. Just so yeah, that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.